Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Rebuilding a failed RAID, a comprehensive guide. RAID, redundant array of independent disks, is a technology that combines multiple physical hard drives into a single logical unit to improve performance, redundancy, or both. While RAID offers fault tolerance, it's not a backup solution. When a drive fails within a RAID array, the system can often continue to function, depending on the RAID level. However, it's crucial to rebuild the array after replacing the failed drive to restore its full redundancy and performance. This tutorial provides a detailed guide on how to rebuild a failed RAID array. We'll cover 1. Understanding RAID concepts and levels *, a brief refresher on RAID principles and different RAID levels. 2. Identifying a failed drive *, how to recognize a failed drive within your RAID array using various tools. 3. Replacing the failed drive *, the proper procedure for physically replacing the faulty hard drive.